Guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel here and I'm here with another video on Paws. Of course, this will probably be my last video on Paws before listing. So as we all know, listing date is on the 18th and it's just 4 days away. So in this video, basically I'll be talking about the listing price and I'll be taking into consideration a couple of things, and with that I'm going to calculate, or should I say predict, the listing price, which of course won't be 100% correct, but will be, the listing price will fall within that range, of course, which of course I know very well. So firstly, this is one of my accounts. As you can see, I have not claimed to any exchange. So to claim, basically I have to click on this place and claim, but I've already exhausted my exchange of course, so I have multiple accounts. So basically I've exhausted my exchange, so I'll be claiming to the wallet. So before I go deep into this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not, and of course like this video. Also, you can join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. And if you haven't, please join Chain testnet. The link will be in the description of this video. Use the referral code in the description and the pinned comment as well. So basically, like I said, Paws total supply, I think I mentioned it in one of my previous videos, is 100 billion. It's official. There's nothing hidden now. And to be honest, 100 billion for this type of allocation that I'm having on this account, this allocation is very, very low compared to the total supply. And that's one thing I have to make very clear before going ahead with my calculation. So I saw someone who actually said I think 5,000 Paws will be around $49. If 5,000 Paws is around $49, it means that Paws will be listing at 0.0098. That's approximately 0.0001, which of course to me personally is not that possible. So if Paws lists at this price, okay, let's just calculate. If Paws lists at this price, okay, 0.009, it means that basically that the FDV, that's the fully diluted valuation, that's the amount that is needed to acquire the total supply, or that's just basically, so the value of the total supply will be this listing price times the total supply, which is about 100 billion. Okay, so this is correct, which will make it 980. And of course, from what I heard, 50% of the Paws total supply will be in circulation, which of course I doubt. So I'll be using the total supply as the circulating supply, meaning that I'll be using the FDV instead of the market cap. All right, so that being said, what would the Paws listing price actually be from my own personal point of view? So firstly, I have to make reference to MDog, which of course is not a very good project. MDogs, which was one of the most rubbish projects on Telegram, had about 280 million market cap, because they had about 2 trillion total supply and about 800,000 circulating 800 billion circulating supply on the listing date. So I'm going to make reference to that. They were able to get up to 280. The maximum was around 300, but 280 was where it was stable the most, 280 million US dollars. Dogs, which was one of the biggest airdrops, raised about $500 million market cap on the listing date, and a lot of us earned and we enjoyed it. But Dogs total supply wasn't up to that. So let me just show you what Dogs total supply was. All right, so as you can see right here, this is what Dogs total supply was on the listing date, and as you can see, this is a fully diluted valuation and this is market cap. There are two very different things. Market cap is the listing price times the circulating supply. You get? So to actually get the market cap, you multiply the current price of the token by the circulating supply. On the other hand, FDV you calculate the total supply, the current price by the total supply. That's what gives you the fully diluted valuation. So as I said before, Dog's market cap was about 500 million on the listing date, so it was quite high. I think it rose more than that, way more than that. Yes, so it was 500 and something million. So let's just assume, and the total supply was 550, but Dogs had a lot of backing, so we also have to agree on that. So Dogs had Ton Society, Pavel Durov, and a lot of other persons that were backing it. So let's just assume that Paws will be able to raise a market cap of okay, let's just say FDV, since I said I'll be using FDVs to calculate $350 million. And the total supply, like I said, is actually 100 billion. So this is 10 billion and this is 100 billion. So the listing price will probably be around 0.003 or 35. But if this falls now to $150, it will be around 0.0015, which is a more probable listing price considering the market factor. The market is red, everywhere is down. So basically, as I said, the increase in demand, the more the demand of the token, that's if the supply is low and the demand is high, it means that the value would skyrocket. So it depends on the demand. Of course, from the what I'm saying here, the total supply is too much, so it will not create much demand for the coin, meaning a lot of people wouldn't want to invest and all that. So I think this is the most probable listing price, 0.0015. So that times me that have about 5,300 is basically around $7. But if it lists at the other price, which is 0.0035, I'll get around $18. So I wouldn't want to drive anybody crazy. So before you attack me, please construct your words very well and know your maths very well and know your calculation. Of course, like I said, considering the market condition currently, I don't think Paws will do very well. Also, Paws might also do very well, but not as much as most of you expect it to go. So if this is the listing price for someone that has up to 300,000 Paws, that's about $1,000, which of course is fair enough. These are influencers balance basically. So me, I don't have anything against influencer. Of course, I don't have anything against anybody. It's actually good because it's not easy to get to that level. So basically, that's what you need to know, and that's my own listing price prediction. Anyway, that's just it for this video. I don't want to drag it furthermore. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our WhatsApp community. And that's it. Thanks.